Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I just want to show you how to find the best images for your WordPress website. So let's just say you have a client or you're building the website yourself and you want to get some pictures. A lot of people go over to iStock, and if they were looking for a plumber or they were looking for lawyer type pictures, they would go and pick the best pictures or the pictures that the client suggested. But you know what? Image search and the way that Google uses AI these days, artificial intelligence, is becoming more popular, and Google actually is looking at the pictures with their AI. So a buddy and myself, we were looking at something and we started to see some similarities, and I thought it'd be a really good idea to just push out a quick video to show you what we found. And I wanted to get your comments. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this. So for example, one of the keywords we looked at was Orlando criminal defense lawyers, right? So we looked at that keyword. We went over to the images and we started looking at the images. And if you start looking at the images, you're going to see something very similar within the images. I'm sure a lot of people could see it right now. They all appear to be Caucasian men with short brown hair, sometimes with beards, with a tie and a suit, right? Maybe not this picture, but most of them appear to have a tie and a suit, right? If I click the first picture and I see related images, right? These are the related images. I see this fella, I see him and his partner, and I'm seeing other lawyers. In fact, this fella looks like this fella, right? And that fella has a little beard and short hair, and he has a beard and short hair. And that's another guy that kind of looks like that guy, right? So if I was building a lawyer site, what pictures would I use? I would probably use a Caucasian man for this keyword with short hair and a beard and a light beard. Google recognizes that picture as being an Orlando criminal defense lawyer. Every keyword is going to have different pictures which they suggest. So I'll give you another example. We looked at another one called mold removal Indianapolis, right? So we went over to images, and what did we notice? We noticed that there are a lot of pictures naturally of mold. But one of the things we also noticed was there were a lot of corner shots where wall meets wall, right? Right here, that's where the wall is ending. Wall meets wall, not in this one, but there's mold. Wall meets wall. This is a corner shot right here. That's a corner shot right there. So if I was going to add pictures to my website for that keyword, these are the type of pictures that I would want to add to the website. Stop picking pictures from iStock just based on pulling them out of thin air. The first thing you should do is check that keyword, whatever your keyword is, go to images and see what Google sees relevant for that keyword, right? Most of the answers are there right now. You just need to look at the pictures and look at the similarities and use those type of pictures, because that's what Google deems as the picture for example, Orlando criminal defense lawyers. This was a short video, but I sure hope it helped. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions or you have any comments, leave them below so I can answer them. Thank you very much, and thank you to my friends who constantly watch and comment on my videos. We know who we're talking about, if you know what I'm talking about. All right, so thanks again, and catch you later, alligator.